All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at this. I'm in the house with the Nick Chuprin Robert Carter BBM here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Exaggerate, just connect with me, let me know what you guys think about this fella. Check out fablades.com, check out @fablades on Instagram, have fun, and let's get on this guy, because probably you might have seen this one already on YouTube. Yes, because this was this belonged to Dr. Frankie, and this is the Frankie classic color. As you can see, it's a gorgeous one. Let's quickly check the weight for this fella, sorry, the length, because it's not a big one. You might have seen already the other review of my BBM. It has 3-inch long blade, 4-inch long handle. Overall, it's going to be 7 inches. Look at that. And it is a custom knife designed by Robert Carter and in collaboration with Nick Chuprin, NCC Knives. They created this BBM, which is very, very cool. It has a lot of cool features. Tiny one. The look, for example, is just phenomenal. I love this blade shape, this sweeping up the swedge. I mean, it's a titanium frame lock. In this case, you got titanium scales, which are have been cerakoted with this pretty cool color. There's some milling going on the two chamfers, nothing going on the flats. It has titanium green anodized undercollar. The overcollar, I believe, is Zirc with titanium screw matching the body and the back spacer, and a clip, of course, which has hidden hardware, which actually is this screw right over here. Very neat and clean design. The back spacer is not floating, very, very tiny. The blade, I believe this is Nitro V. Let me know if I'm wrong, of course, in the comments down below. Has a hollow grind, is just beautifully done, two-tone finish. The fuller is gorgeous, a nice opening going on right over here. The sound, when you don't fail to open, is like that. You see, I'm failing with the index because this is a small knife for my hand, so I'm kind of struggling. That's the only thing with the thumb. It's pretty fun and fine. When you close the knife, it's very, very subtle. Kind of don't hear the noise, and the grip. I mean, it's just gorgeous. This part and this part together like that. Ooh, feels great in the hand. Let's quickly check the weight on this guy and see where it is standing on the scale, because it's not that big, but it's going to be 3.14 ounces, so not too shabby. And it's a gorgeous one. I mean, guys, look at this. This is a pretty cool looking knife. Great design, nice feel. It's a little small, but it's a gorgeous one. So there you have it. If you want more, you can check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.